Vietnam Airlines welcomes you to experience the dawn of a new day in air travel. Introducing the new Vietnam Airlines 787. Welcome inside our new Dreamliner. Our business class travelers enjoy the most modern full-flat seats, greater privacy, and direct aisle access for all passengers. In-seat stowage, large high-definition touchscreen monitors, and a convenient service bar. All passengers have a view to the outside, with large, dimmable windows. Double filtered air helps you breathe easily, and better cabin humidity ensures you will arrive refreshed. Premium economy passengers are welcomed by new seats designed just for this class. A generous seating area and a full HD touchscreen monitor. Modern architectural lighting sets the mood throughout your adventure, smoothly transitioning between sleeping, relaxing, dining, or cruising. Spacious bins accommodate all of your belongings. Economy class travelers will be delighted by the new seat design and quieter cabin, with room to relax and personal in-flight entertainment. The 787 Dreamliner cabin is designed to make flying more enjoyable, with open and vaulted ceilings throughout the aircraft. We are happy to provide these new features to make your travel experience the most enjoyable way to fly. We also know that people are at the heart of our great service, and we will continue to serve you as our guest aboard the new 787 Dreamliner.